elimination plus penalty approach. Right? All dimension are given, modulus of elasticity also given, area given, length given, force P is acting on particular point. Here, two first and fourth nodes are fixed, right? First and fourth nodes are fixed. See example. Total number of nodes are 1, 2, 3, 4, and element are 3 in round number. 1, 2, 3 element, and with orange 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. So total number of element and node, we know how to define nodes. राइट, तो नोड को डिफाइन करना है. अगर क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया चेंज होता है, एनी फोर्स आर एक्टिंग ऑन अ बॉडी, एनी फिक्स और फ्री कंडीशन, एरिया चेंजेस, मटेरियल चेंजेस, क्रॉस सेक्शन चेंजेस, वेयर वी आर पुटिंग नोड नंबर्स. नाउ as we have seen in previous example, same way we have to find out element stiffness matrix K1, K2 and K3 by using equation AE by L in matrix form 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Right. Second step is global stiffness matrix. We are combining मतलब summation of all above matrix. Maximum value we keep outside of matrix. At global stiffness matrix we have to multiply K1 plus K2 plus K3 is equal to K. Common value, common highest value 10 raised to 5. Multiplication is we have discussed in previous lectures, right? How to sum the whole matrix. Now, after completing this global stiffness matrix, you have to use equation KQ is equal to F, where K is nothing but global stiffness matrix, Q is nothing but displacement. Displacement of particular nodes. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. You also give as a U1, U2, U3, U4. Right? Displacement. It is notation. You can use U or Q, whatever you like. Force matrix F1, F2, F3, F4. Right? Force is acting on node number second, P. Right? So we put F1 no load and second node पे 300 into 10 raised to Q. ठीक है. थर्ड नोड पे कोई फोर्स नहीं है, फोर्थ नोड फिक्स है. ठीक है. Now what we have to do, keep in mind they always give number to row and column. When you make any global stiffness or element stiffness matrix, at least give 1, 2, 3, 4 number for your easy solution process of matrix or summation. Total number of row and column depends on nodes number. Force matrix size depends on column, single force and displacement matrix always single column, and rows depend on number of nodes. Now you have to solve this first method, elimination approach. You first apply elimination approach to solve this KQ is equal to F equation. Right, KQ is equal to F. Here you have to apply first node fixed, fourth node fixed. So first column and first row, first column, first row, fourth column, first row, eliminate by applying elimination approach rules. So you have only two rows, right? Two rows, second and third. You have to solve this equation by simple mathematical process, Q2, Q3. You have to find out. This is your second node displacement Q2. Q3 is 0.3465, Q2 is 0.6234 mm. We have to find only these two nodes displacement. Right? Q1 is equal to 0 and Q4 is equal to 0. Is per elimination approach and structure first node and fourth node condition. Now, another thing you have to find out is stresses. Stresses you have to find out only for elements. Elements we have only 3 elements, right? 4 nodes and 3 elements. So displacement you have to find out for all four nodes. Similar way, you have to find out stresses in all three elements. Displacement for node and stresses for element. Keep in mind that you are finding displacement for node. You have a four node in this example and three elements in this example. So you have to find out stresses, element stresses by using equation sigma, E, B, and Q. So Q1, Q2 in form of matrix is we already know the value of Q1, Q2, right? So you have to put value, all value you know. E know B is nothing but 1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 1, 1. Here you have to keep in mind what is B. It is element nodal relationship. Remember, B is nothing but element strain nodal displacement matrix. It depends upon 1 upon x2 minus x1. There is nothing but length. 1 upon L minus 1, 1. It is constant value. Right? So you have to put all these value and find out all stresses of all three elements by using this equation. Right? So B, you know, element strain nodal displacement. Okay, now sigma you are finding using this equation, sigma is equal to EBQ, where Q is nothing but displacement, E modulus of elasticity, and B is element strain nodal displacement matrix. Now you have to find out at last support reactions. Reactions we can find only in case of fixed node. Right? Keep in mind here node 1 and node 4 are fixed. So use R KQ minus F equation. Put all this value as we have find all value. All value we know after solving these whole equations for displacement plus stresses. So put simple this value and solve simple mathematical two matrix solution. Whatever row column, multiplication plus is for simple math rules. Similarly, find out R4 using K4 into Q minus F. All value you have to take this from global stiffness matrix. Right? Global stiffness matrix, global nodal displacement vector, global force vector. So this value you get minus negative signature give you a negative displacement due to force effect. Now we have to solve this same example using penalty approach. Penalty approach is global stiffness matrix remains same. Directly you have to start from global stiffness matrix. Same value you have to use. You can use this same. No need to calculate second time. Same value, but now you apply penalty approach for fixed condition. As we have discussed in theory, first and fourth are fixed node. So C is equal to maximum Kij into 10 raised to 4. Right? This is penalty approach formula. Right? So maximum value is 6.66 into 10 raised to 5 from global stiffness matrix. Maximum common from global matrix for all three elements into 10 raised to 4. Now, second rules you have to keep in mind is C is added to the first and fourth diagonal element. Right? Diagonal element means this way diagonal. Diagonal, you know in matrix what is diagonal. Right? So here first row, first column and fourth row, fourth column you have to add this maximum C value. Already K1 is there, K11 condition. मतलब first row, first column में कुछ value है, where you have to plus this. You have to plus this C, maximum C value. So you will get on first row and first column condition 60603.33, and on 4 row, 4 column 66602.67. Right? And another all things remain same as previous global stiffness matrix. KQ is equal to F. Some change are first row, first column, 1, 1. first row and first column condition. First node condition, only first node, and fourth node condition, like for location. Now you have to solve this equation using mathematics process. Right? First and fourth conditions are 0. Third पे कोई load नहीं लग रहा है. Node number 3 0. Second पे 300 into 10 raised to 3. By calculating all these equation, by solving this equation by mathematics, you can find out Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 displacement of all nodes using penalty approach. You have to similar way you can find out element stresses. Here changes are your displacement value minor changes. So stresses are minor change in element. Support reaction. Here is different rules for support reaction. Right? R is equal to Kq minus F. And in penalty approach, we have to use this R is equal to minus C into Q. This equation we have to use in example C into Q. If A1 is given, then you have to minus A1. If support movement maximum कितना है वो दिया है तो अगर नहीं दिया है तो C into Q1 simple C into Q4 for fixed node. So using both approach, answers you can check are nearly same. Right? You get minor change in value. So both methods we can use for this. But here you have to keep in mind that penalty approach can't give you a exact value. Right? That penalty approach is a approximate method, and the accuracy of the force depend on the value of C. Like a maximum of stiffness कितना एज्यूम किया या दिया है उसके उस पे उसका जो आंसर से उसका नियर बाय वैल्यू डिपेंड करेगा. Approximate method है penalty approach. But in exam, if mentioned that you solve this example using penalty approach only, then you have to follow this method, penalty approach method. Two major things you have to mind is C, maximum stiffness value you have to keep in mind, one change, and reaction equation, and where you have to put this plus C. Location, in what location you have to add plus C. If fixed condition, in fixed node condition is given, a diagonally you have to put plus value, plus C value. Both methods are simple, but elimination approach give you more flexibility to solve these equations of global stiffness matrix after KQ is equal to A. Okay, both methods are easy, but particularly mention that you have to go